Hi, I'm Shingai Samudzi. I'm the director of SeedAfrika. We're a Silicon Valley-based investment group that focuses on seed stage investments in the Southern Africa region. Now let's talk a little bit about investment opportunities in Sub-Saharan Africa in general. Now, why is that a particularly strong area to look? Well, we know that Sub-Saharan Africa is poised to have the highest economic growth rate in the world through to 2018. We also know that there's a high risk aversion by local investors, which means that there's actually a low degree of seed stage deal flow, which means that there are plenty of opportunities to identify diamonds that can potentially provide significant returns. So in general, we can see that there's a high demand and low supply of capital to quality entrepreneurs, which means that there are strong ROI opportunities for foreign investors. Now, why are we specifically focusing on South Africa? Well, as I said before, there's a tremendous amount of buzz already around Nigeria and around Kenya. But South Africa in its own right is the second largest economy on the African continent, with over $134 billion of foreign investment in 2015. It is a very, very ripe economy, a very, very ripe situation in order to extract significant gains without the overvaluations that you might see here in Silicon Valley, as well as you're starting to see in Nigeria itself. So what are some of the characteristics that make South Africa a particularly strong investment opportunity besides just large GDP and besides just a strong amount of foreign direct investment? Well, we also see that there's an 86% smartphone penetration among adults, which is higher than the United States at 65%. We also see that there's a very stable political situation. Whatever you might hear in the news about Jacob Zuma, there's no danger of political overthrow or toppling of the regime. Power exchanges are always peaceful. On top of that, we're seeing a tremendous amount of growth within a few key industries such as energy, aquaculture, agriculture, healthcare, and financial technology, which indicate that technology applied in these specific regions not only have strong economic potential, but they also have the double bottom line impact of extreme social benefit. Now, if this sounds like an interesting investment opportunity to yourself, we are providing some additional in-person webinars and in-person seminars and education sessions to learn more about some specific opportunities that we provide and the connections that we can help facilitate for yourself within South Africa and the SADC region as a whole. Thanks. And click the link below to learn more about our upcoming investment tour through South Africa, which will take place from September 30th to October 9th. We'll be going between Cape Town and Johannesburg and connecting with a number of organizations, development organizations, investors, as well as promising entrepreneurs in South Africa during that time. We have limited spots remaining, so the last day to sign up is August 10th. Thank you.